right, what the hell did you do now, Andy?
I'm making it more better.
Really?
Yeah. You know what it is?
No, I don't know what it is.
Every house needs one of these.
Okay. Well, we don't have a house.
Yes, we do.
We have a floating house.
Yes.
Okay.
And I had to get rid of my last one.
Well,
of these.
okay.
It wasn't this. This is like new for me.
What did you have last time?
It was quite entertaining.
Okay. And this one is more better?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right, so now, how do I...
That box is not going to take up my provision space, is it?
We'll see.
We'll see, he says.
Oh, that's how they do that. So, good thing I never go over the top on anything I do.
Right.
You know what it is yet?
Yeah, I know what it is.
It's a radar. It goes, woo!
Don't smash the TV or my food. The question is it going to fit?
I'll make it fit.
So you're stopping one project to work on this because this is more fun.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Which we're going to mount it to the wall with. Then we've got this thing, which I hate reading. First cables, and it's even has a remote and batteries. We're going to see if we can mount this right there.
Okay, so I guess it does fit. I'll have to move the pictures out of the way.
Yup. All right. Okay. All right. So now installing the wall mount. Oh no, they go like that. I get it now.
You have to read the directions. They're right there.
There's pictures. That's all I need. This might be what I was looking for. Because we tape it up. It puts a mark exactly where we need to mount it. So.
Okay, well, do you want to take the photos down first?
Probably.
They're just command strips.
So, I could just center it right there, don't you think?
Yep.
Okay, so that's easy.
Is that gonna put it in the way of the other track?
This?
Yes.
Maybe. Maybe. Okay, so from here to here is 48. So center's going to be
24.
somewhere right here. Okay, so is that level?
Your left needs to come up. Okay, that looks level now. Maybe.
This side's high, isn't it?
Maybe.
Oops.
Yeah, that's better. Right there.
Okay. We're going to mount this right there. This is going to go right there.
So is this an upper end, more better unit?
Then,
I don't know.
well, considering
What we can afford.
considering we had B&W before, and B&W is Volkers and Wilkinson is a very high-end system, but it's Samsung. It's a higher-end Samsung unit, yes. I think there's one or two little better than this, but I didn't want to spend that type of money.
What was this type of money?
I think MSRP on this is like $1,000, according to Samsung site.
Okay.
So,
It's better make watching movies a lot better.
so now what I want to do is find screws, and it says it's not supplied according to the picture. So,
Where's your screw bucket?
right here.
Let me just tell you guys how much this screw bucket has saved our butts. We bought it at Citi Marine, and it's been worth its weight in gold. So much so that I'll probably have to buy a second one as a spare before we leave.
That'll work. I like that better. Okay. Now you're sure this is where you want it?
Yep.
And it's mounted.
That was super fast, super fast.
But wait, there's more. There's a whole nother box back here.
Oh, snap. There's a whole nother box.
Does it still say Beachy Ferry?
Yes. He's stealing my outlets now.
You said you wanted good quality audio.
To watch a movie,
Yeah.
not to see water reverberate off of the boat. That's why I don't tell this man anything. I told him one time he asked me, or no, I asked him if I could get Alexa put in the RV to turn on the lights on and off. And he reconfigured the dang RV to do that. And then he did it to the boat. I don't think she could turn on and off the lights.
What, the boat?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Pumping in 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Play Top Gun.
Andy's favorite movie of all time.
Gentlemen, this school is about combat. There are no points for second place.
Okay,
Figured it out yet? What's that?
job complete.
Choose the truth. I'm like Inception. I play with your brains. Don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no